Hello everyone! Today we will be making quick and tasty jam cake. For this recipe we will need eggs, buttermilk, salt, sugar, butter, vanilla extract, vegetable oil, jam, baking soda, baking powder and flour. All the ingredients need to be room temperature.
Into 500 milliliters of buttermilk, you will need to add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and while mixing, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
In a big bowl, you will need to combine all of the liquid ingredients.
Into the buttermilk, you will need to add in 4 medium-sized chicken eggs, 4 tablespoons of any kind of vegetable oil, and 200 grams of unsalted butter or margarine.
Make sure that the butter is not hot, because if it is, the eggs will turn into an omelette.
Into the liquid mass, you will need to add in 2 cups of sugar and 8 tablespoons of jam.
Today I am using homemade blueberry jam. You can put in as much sugar as you want.
In a separate bowl, combine all of the other dry ingredients.
3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of whole wheat flour. But if you don't have whole wheat flour, you can use 1 cup of all-purpose flour.
You have to sift the dry ingredients. That helps them get oxygen. The exact amount of ingredients and links to our other videos can be found in the info box below.
When you are making the dough, you need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Start to add in the flour partly, mixing at the same time so there are no clumps.
The dough needs to be not too thick and not too thin, as you can see in the video, because the flour is different each time. You may need to add in about quarter to a half cups of flour.
Prepare a cake pan. Our cake pan is 25 by 35 centimeters wide and long and 8 centimeters deep. My mom and I put a silicone mat on the bottom of our pan, but you can put parchment paper or grease it with a bit of butter.
When the pan is ready, pour all of the dough, level it, and put it in the oven. It takes me 33 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit to make, but this might take you longer to make. Check to see the jam cake is ready. Using a wooden stick, it should be dry.
Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. A big thank you goes out to the people who have subscribed, are liking our content, and commenting on it. Thank you very much.
Put the jam cake to cool on a cooling rack. Cut it into pieces and serve for dessert with your favorite drink.
I hope you enjoyed cooking with us. Make this jam cake and make yourself, your friends, and your family happy with your cooking. Bon appetit!
Thank you for watching.
And see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.